airplane! Wow! There's so many beautiful skins! Let's try them! I want to visit these places! The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket.
Yeah, yay! Yoo-hoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please open the window shade. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start push to throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.